11th standard English students. Now we are going to learn about adjective. What is the adjective and kinds of adjectives? Actually, adjective we can easily identify that it describes a noun called as adjective. For example, color, sound, feel, amount, behavior, describing words that tell us called as adjectives. Adjectives tell us about nouns. Okay, a few example: how something tastes, how something feels cold, what shape, how something looks, how something smells, what size. So we can use that adjectives. Then slow, rise, how something behaves. It's slow, it walks slow, rise. Okay, so it describes a noun. It called as adjectives. Okay, a word that describes a noun. For example, pink, pretty. How is the flower? Pretty. What color? Pink. So that's quality. It describes of noun. Adjectives can be used as attributives and predicative. Attributive used as qualifiers of noun. So only we are going to learn about qualifiers of noun. For example, this is a blue pen. This is a blue pen. Which color? Blue. So that adjective. He is an intelligent boy. He is an intelligent. So it describes a noun. Who is intelligent? He. So for example, what is the adjective? Just we can easily identify that it describes a noun. Okay, now we are going to learn about the kinds of adjective. We have 8 types of adjective. Okay, first one, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of numbers, distributive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, proper adjective. So we have totally 8 types of adjectives. Okay, let us learn about that one by one. These adjectives are used to quality or describe a person or a thing. It is adjective of quality. For example, ugly, pretty, old, young, happy, sad, wet, dry, short, long, small, big. Adjectives are used to quality or describe a person or a thing. What quality? Okay, so what describes a person or a thing? How does he ugly? How she's pretty, young? So we can use the adjective of quality. Short, long, small, big. How it is small or big? Small, big. So it refer. You can use adjective. Adjective of quality. Dirty, clean, good. This room is clean. So clean is a adjective. Good, bad. Adjective of quality. Next, adjective of quantity. A lot of, plenty of, many, much, few, a few, little, a little, some. They show the quantity of a certain thing. So we can use they show the quantity of a certain thing. Adjective of quantities, the numbers, lot of, plenty of, many, much. Adjective of number, it falls into two groups. So one is definite numeral adjective, another one is indefinite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective, we can easily identify that. We can use as exact number. For example, I have 2 pens. So exact number 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is numbers. So exact number, if we have refer, it called as definite numeral adjective. Okay, indefinite numeral adjective, few, some, several. So we can use. For example, I have some rice, some pens. So we can use. We can't count that. It's not exact number. So we can use as indefinite numeral adjective. So adjective of number, definite numeral adjective. Another one is indefinite numeral adjective. Okay, here the word tell how many or how much. They are followed by a noun. For example, one man, some sugar, much work, each person. So one man, so exact number, no, so we can use definite. Some sugar, indefinite numeral adjective. Much, indefinite. Much work, each person. Okay, so so that's definite numeral adjective. Okay, so adjective of number falls into two groups. Try to frame your own sentence. We have to make adjective of number definite and indefinite numeral adjective. Next, distributive adjective. The distributive adjectives uh, shows that the persons or things shown by the noun are taken singly. So nouns are taken singly, one by one, or in separate lots. They are each, every, either, neither. And also we can easily identify that the distributive adjective, the beginning of the sentence, each, every, either, neither, we can use as distributive adjective. For example, every boy must bring his own bag. Every boy. Every student must pay your fees. So every, for example, every boy must bring his own bag. Every, so distributive adjective. Neither one of the answer is correct. Okay. Next, demonstrative adjectives. The demonstrative adjectives, this, these, that, those. It point out the subject. Demonstrative adjective, we can easily identify that it point out the subject, and also the beginning of the sentence we can use. Okay, this is my pen. These pens are mine. So that's for plural. These we can use for singular. This is my pen. These pens are mine. That is that for distance. So this is near to us. So that are those some distance to us. That is my pen. Those pens are mine. Okay, clear? So this is demonstrative adjective, point out the subject, a noun. For example, here, this pencil, this is my pencil, that is my pencil, for example. So next, those, plural, these are mine, those are mine. So these for plural only, so some very near to us, so these we can use. Some distance if we have it, that those we can use. Circle the correct option. This or that is my friend Julie. So that, so some distance, that is my friend Julie. These are, those are my brothers. So those are my brothers. So some distance, so we can use those. This is, these are my dog. So very near, so we can use this. This is my dog. That is, that are my cats. So those are my cats. Those are my cats. Some distance to us, so we can use those for plural only, noun. But that are those. This is, that is my house. That some distance to us, so that is my house. This is, that is my houses. So very near, no? So this is. So we can easily identify that demonstrative adjective, and as well as point out the subject. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are words such as which, whose, and what are used along with nouns to ask question. Just we have to ask question to someone else with question marks. Interrogative. Which plants should be watered twice a week, for example. Which plants should be watered twice a week. What book are you reading? So question word here: how, why, who, what, when, which, where, how many. So that's, we know that the question words. Then end of this word we have to make question marks. That's interrogative adjectives. We have to ask question to someone else. From where, with whom, to where. Okay. Next, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective, our and my. They have given here our and my. Okay. Possessive adjectives, subject pronoun and possessive adjective. Subject pronoun, what is that? I have a shirt. What is the subject pronoun? I. Possessive adjective, what is that? Here, my shirt is green. My is a possessive adjective. You have a book. You is a subject pronoun. Your book is new. Possessive adjective. Your book is new. He has a pillow. That is subject pronoun. He has a pillow, he is a subject pronoun. His pillow is soft, possessive adjective. She has a dog, she is a subject pronoun. Her dog is small or big, so that's possessive adjective. It has a bone, subject pronoun. Its bone, it's old, it is a possessive adjective. We have a bird, we is a subject pronoun. Our bird is noisy, that's possessive adjective. You have a house, you is a subject pronoun. Your house is big, your is a possessive adjective. They have a car, they is a subject pronoun. Their, their, their car is slow, so that possessive adjective. It's belonging, that's possessive, we know that. Okay, your possessive adjective, you need to bring your dictionary. Your dictionary, that possessive dictionary. Okay, that's dictionary belongs to you, so that's why we can use your dictionary. You are, so separately we can use short form of the word you are. You are contraction. You are an excellent student. It's possessive adjective. The dog played with its ball, so that possessive adjective. It is contraction, so we can separately use it is. It is very hot right now, it's very hot right now, so we can use. So this is possessive adjectives, subject pronoun and possessive adjectives, that's differentiate. Possessive adjectives, I like my car. My, our, your, his, their, her, its. So we can use possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their, my, your, his, her, its, your, their, your. So that's a few examples they have given. So these are possessive adjective. What is the possessive? Belonging to someone else, so that is possessive adjective. For example, this is my book, which is possessive my. This book is mine. This book is mine, so mine is okay, so mine is a possessive pronoun here, mine. This is my book, my is a possessive adjective. For examples I'm telling you. So one more example, this is their room, this is their room, so which is possessive adjective, their room. Okay, so we can use possessive pronoun also. That house is his, so his is a possessive pronoun, so because he changed it to pronoun his, no, so that we can use possessive pronoun also. But we are learning about only adjectives, so here possessive adjective. This is their room, there is a possessive adjectives. Okay, proper adjectives. An adjective formed from a proper noun is called a proper adjective. Like a proper noun, a proper adjective is capitalized. An adjective formed from a proper noun is called a proper adjective. How did you learn the kinds of noun that proper noun? So same level here, proper adjective. Like a proper noun, a proper adjective is capitalized. Okay, so here students, just this is a vocabulary testing, so 1 to 20 questions. Just we have to choose the kinds of adjectives. We can easily identify that adjectives, then which adjectives we can easily identify that. Okay, thank you students.